In today's episode of Homestead How, we take you to our favorite Homestead home improvement store, the Habitat Restore. And we show you some of the amazing, unbelievable things we've purchased over the years, including an indoor slide and this window we're looking out. Oh, look at all these tools. What's up guys, Carrie here with Homestead How, and I've got my new sweatshirt that Jen just made for me for the homestead. Jen and I are going on a little bit of a road trip to our favorite store. It's the Habitat Restore, and it's all about doing more with less. So come with us as we shop the Habitat Restore for some hidden homestead treasures. Plus, we'll show you some unbelievable homestead finds we've purchased over the years. Oh, look at all these tools. Our Habitat Restore has a ton of different types of tools, and it's really fun going there because you'll see unusual tools, things that you wouldn't necessarily look for. Also really well-built older tools that have stood the test of time. And every time it's something new. And this one visit they had all this high-end woodworking equipment. So lots of great tools at the Habitat Restore. One of my favorite things at the Habitat Restore are doors and windows. Like this one. We bought a window for our homestead office. I'll show you a clip of that. Here's an outside view of that huge window we bought from the Habitat Restore on my office right there. And next we're going to show you an inside view. Alright, so one of the biggest things that I purchased from the Habitat Restore is this window. We purchased lots of doors and windows, but this window is huge. I think it's like 12 feet wide, 10 or 12 feet wide. Huge window. It's a nice vinyl window. It's rated for this area, double pane insulated window. And we got this one. I actually left the price tag on it. $125 for this gigantic window. And that's a green yellow sticker, and it was 25% off of that. 10 bucks. Most of the storm doors that we got on our homestead we got from the Habitat Restore like this. Price tag on, let me look real quick. Thank you, Katie. There's the price tag on this door. That one was $20, and I think it was 25% off. So, and the cool thing was, it actually matches my house. It's got this darker gray color with a lighter gray. I've got the light gray siding and the dark gray siding. It was like a perfect fit for this. So, lots of really cool stuff at the Habitat Restore. Lots of doors, lots of windows. We love going there because it's kind of like hunting, and you can usually find some treasures. It's always something different when you go there. Oh, I need one of these. But it doesn't work. The original Murphy bed. We should have got this for the office. Yeah. That's cool.
See the price?
Well, that's not cool, but probably best not to mess with it. Yep. So before we continue shopping, I'm going to show you some things we've purchased from the Habitat Restore. Some of our favorite things. Let's go. We're at our Homestead dog kennel, and here's two things I purchased. This door right here. These storm doors usually go for $15 to $20. And then this wood door I bought from the Habitat Restore as well.
This one's gorgeous.
Okay, now we're inside our dog kennel. Here's some other things I purchased from the Habitat Restore. All of this siding. This was actually floor planks. I know they're kind of weird looking, but they were extremely inexpensive at the Habitat Restore. So we got these, and we use these for sort of a half wall all the way around the dog kennel. One more thing I got purchased, which I still have to insulate in, is that little arched half window. Got that from the Habitat Restore. I think that was $8. Only $8. One other thing I just remembered we got from the Habitat Restore was the door to our greenhouse over there with a little red sign on it. Another great thing that we've got a lot from the Habitat Restore are cabinets and shelves. They've got a lot of metal cabinets. In fact, all of our garage cabinets are metal cabinets. Is it going?
Yes.
All right, one of my favorite purchases from the Habitat Restore are all of my toolboxes. These are actually filing cabinets, but they're heavy metal, and Jen put labels on them, and they're great for organization. In fact, I still have the price tag on this one. It was $40 for this cabinet with the 2 drawers in it. I keep all of my Romex wiring in here, and electrical cords and extension cords. It was $40, but it was blue, which I believe was 25% off, so it was really $30 for that one. And this one was $65. Jen made all these labels with her Cricut machine, so I got my battery tools in here, my power tools in here, air tools, drill bits, sandpaper, and it's all nice and organized. Besides these two over here, I also got this one for $35. A little messy right now, but this is where I keep my jack stands and my automotive stuff. So I've got oil filters, air filters, brake pads, and it's all nice and organized. Nice heavy duty cabinets for a fraction of the price. So many different doors, all different sizes. There's almost always a size that will fit for you, or you can trim it down a little bit. For example, this one's 79.5. If you need it 79, you just cut a little bit off the bottom. This is a 6-panel door. Nice high quality, fully wood door, unlike the hollow door that you would get from Menards.
This one's gorgeous.
One thing I've learned at the Habitat Restore, the prices are hit or miss. Sometimes they look ridiculous, but if you come back, certain things like doors and windows are usually priced really well. Other things are overpriced. You really got to hunt around. It was $125 down to $175. You also have to watch out for the pricing because a lot of stores will have different colored tags and they'll have discounts on a daily basis. So red tags may be 50% off, orange tags may be 25% off. So make sure you check that when you walk in the door. We're always amazed at what we can find at the Habitat Restore. Take a look at this beautiful piece of furniture, beautiful woodwork. I can't even imagine the skills and craftsmanship that would go into building something like this. It had one chipped shelf, and so they were selling it for a total of $20. Look, they got tons of hand tools for your homestead. Hoes, rakes, and shovels, and they're just a couple bucks. This one's $5. A real variety of items here for your homestead. Heating and air conditioning, venting, all sorts of different light fixtures, and some really cool stuff with character. Cabinets, lots of cabinets. If you're ever looking to maybe organize your garage, you could get some used cabinets from the Habitat Restore. They even have automotive at this location. Another thing I love about the Habitat Restore is it's like hunting. A lot of times you'll find really weird or interesting things. In the last trip I took, which was in the video I showed you, I found this, an old X-ray viewing light. It's perfect for Jen, who does crafts from home. Here's a tic-tac-toe craft she was recently doing. But she films her videos over here, but it also gives her excellent light for working. This whole thing, I think, was $40, and then we got 15% off. It was right around $35 or so. It's a super bright light. It's actually an X-ray light that you'd have in a doctor's office. So if you purchase this thing new, probably would be a couple $100. One of the most interesting or unique things that we've purchased from the Habitat Restore is a slide, and we actually have it as an indoor slide. That's right, I just said an indoor slide. If you watched our previous YouTube videos, you'll remember we built a loft for Katie. How the heck else is she supposed to get down from this loft? And we actually have it as an indoor slide, and we paid just $10 for it. Here's that slide. So that's kind of cool. So in conclusion, if you're a homesteader or a homeowner and you're looking to save some money on your home improvement projects, looking for ideas, looking for inspiration, looking to do more with less while upcycling, reusing things that would have ended up in a landfill, check out the Habitat Restore. It is by far our favorite store. Nothing like going on a treasure hunt and finding some new things, some unexpected things at a reasonable cost. Thanks for watching.